Big pimpin', baby. Big pimpin', spinach. Feel me?
What's up, everybody? It's your boy K Ray back at you again. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to prepare a barbecue meat lover supreme style pizza. Just got some stuff left over that I barbecued recently. Some chicken, smoked chicken, white and dog meat. Got a couple of type of sausages over here, some homemade beef links, and some regular store-bought jalapeno sausages that I smoked. And over here I have some beef brisket that I smoked. We use those meats, combination of meats for the pizza. I got some veggies over here that I'm gonna use, some sliced jalapenos, some diced red bell pepper, and some yellow onions. The cheese that I'm gonna use is Italian blend. It's about 5 or 6 different types of Italian cheeses in there, so should come out pretty good. I'm going to use this store-bought pizza crust. Think it'll come out okay. You know, I didn't have a chance to get a recipe to do one from scratch, and I wanted to go ahead and get this done while my meat and everything is still, good and fresh. So I'm gonna check that out, see what happens with it. And also what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bake this in the oven. I'm not gonna put it on the grill because I'm really not prepared to cook on the grill, a pizza on the grill yet. I don't have my pizza stone, and I don't even know if the pits that I have will come up to temp to cook the pizzas easily. So, this is my first time doing it. I'm more than sure that I'll be doing some more in the future. And, I can step it up a little bit more then. But what I'm going to do is just, do it this way and see how it comes out. And also I'm going to be using barbecue sauce for my sauce instead of a pizza sauce. So let me get this up, get ready to build this up, and I will get back with you all shortly later. All right, everybody, I'm back. What I'm going to do is just lay down this barbecue sauce on here first. So I want to get real nice barbecue flavor on this pizza all the way around. And that's just some sauce I made myself, so it's pretty good. Put on the pizza, put on a nice liberal amount of cheese. Nice liberal amount of cheese here. Stack it up real good. Add on my chicken. Beef. Stack the sausage up real nice and good on that. Back and hit it with the veggies. a little bit more sauce. Throw a little bit more cheese on top, just a little bit. All right, that's it. Time for the oven. I'm just go by the instructions that's on the pizza crust packet. Which is 425, 8 to 10 minutes. So pop it in there, see what we got when it come out later. All right, everybody, I'm back. And got this bad boy out the oven. Looking pretty good. Pile real nice and high. Some good colors on it. What I did in the oven, I just put it on the rack in the oven. I didn't put it on the cookie sheet or anything. So, getting ready to dig in a few minutes. Be some good lunch for me today. Of course, I'm gonna share with everybody else around me, but man, can't wait to dig into this thing. So I appreciate everybody's time dropping by to check out my video, and appreciate everybody that's been commenting, liking my videos, and of course, to the subscribers. So I'm just keep on trying to do my thing and learn, from other people. I've been checking out a lot of other people's videos, and I got some good stuff, have some good ideas, and sharing with me. So just try to get it done. See y'all later.